morning students. So we have started this exercise 9b and in this I have discussed till question number 3. So let's discuss question number 6 and how to draw the figure A in parallelogram ABCD. So first we will write given ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, ABCD is a parallelogram in which A and C are the obtuse angle. So angle A and angle C both are greater than 90 degree. So these two angles I have taken as obtuse angle. Then we have to take point X and Y on the diagonal BD. So I have joined B and D and we have to join such that angle XAD is equal to angle YCB equal to 90 degree. And angle XAD and angle YCB are equal to 90 degree. So with these given things we have to prove what we have to prove in this. XA equal to YC we have to prove. So before starting this question, let's analyze the problem. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, that means these two opposite sides will be equal to each other as well as they are parallel to each other. Okay. So based upon these known things, we will solve it. So let's see how to solve. We will take two triangles. In triangle, we will take XAD and corresponding to XAD, which angle is 90 degree, YCB. So and triangle YCB. So these two triangles we will take. Then we can write angle XAD equal to angle YCB because they both are 90 degree. Okay. Then this side AD, so we can write AD equal to CB. Why? Opposite sides of parallelogram ABCD. Okay, since ABCD was a parallelogram, so opposite sides are equal. Then if you see very carefully, this angle will be equal to this angle, alternate interior angle. So we will write angle ADX equal to angle CBY, alternate interior angle. So this implies triangle XAD is congruent to triangle YCB, and which criteria we have followed? This is angle, this is side, and this is angle. So by angle, side, angle. And now since they are congruent, so we can say that XA will be equal to YC by CP CT. Okay, since the triangles are congruent, so we can say that the remaining sides which we have to prove, they should be equal by CP CT. Okay, let's discuss one more question in which we have to make the figure. So again, what is given in this? We will write given ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, so it is given. Then what else is given? AB and AD are produced to E and F such that AB equal to BE and AD equal to DF. One more thing is given, and what is we know, ABE and ADF are the straight lines. Now what we have to prove in this? We have to prove triangle BEC is congruent to triangle DCF. This we have to prove. Now let's start the proof of this. So for proving these two triangles as congruent, let's analyze the problem first. So what we know, AB is equals to BE and AB is equals to DC is there. So we can say that DC is equals to BE. Similarly, AD was equal to DF. It is given, but AD was equal to BC also because they are the opposite sides of parallelogram. That means DF is equals to BC. So we know two sides. Now one more angle we have to prove. So this angle will be equal to this angle. Is it? Corresponding angle. Similarly, this angle will be equal to this angle. Since they are the parallel lines, so again they are forming the corresponding angle pair. So it is also equal to this. So now we will write it. How we will write? First, we know that AB equal to BE. It is given, but AB equal to DC. Why? Opposite sides of parallelogram ABCD. So we can say that BE equal to DC. This is one of the results that we will use. Then similarly, we know that AD equal to DF, again it is given, and AD equal to BC, again same reason, opposite sides of ABCD. So again we can say that BC equal to DF. Okay, this is the second result that we will use. Now what we know, angle FDC is equal to angle DAB. They are forming the corresponding angle pair, and since AD is parallel to BC, so we can say that angle DAB is equal to angle CBE by corresponding angles. So therefore we can say that angle CBE is equal to angle FDC. So this is the third result that we will use. Now we have all the three things that we need to prove this triangle as congruent. So let's prove it. So in order to prove, in triangle BEC and triangle DCF, BE equal to DC. This we have just proved. Then angle CBE is equal to angle FDC. This again we have just proved. Then one more, BC equal to DF. This also we have proved. So we can say that triangle BEC is congruent to triangle DCF by which criteria? Side, angle, side. So hence proved. So like this only, you just make the figure and just use the property of parallelogram, then analyze the figure, and for proving these two as congruent, so I have proved these three results as equal, then I use these results to make these two triangles as congruent to each other.